Wow, just look at that. We just generated this image and inserted it right into our document. Wow, and look, we can resize it, we can drag it around, look at the text, just forming, resizing according to the image. It's really, really, really cool. Hey guys, this is Jacques from Makulu Linux and welcome to another video. So today I actually want to show you guys something that most people don't even know exists, and I've seen people doing reviews of Windows 2025 and they just skip right over. I don't know, I did put in the release notes, but apparently nobody reads those. And that is the fact that we actually have an AI assistant inside the preloaded Office. So if you open up your menu, you go to Office here, you'll see we've got Collabora Office pre-installed, which is the fork of LibreOffice. So it's got all the same functionality as LibreOffice. I think it's just got a nicer interface, but you can edit that as well. If you actually open that, you'll see on top there's something called AI Assistant. We've actually added Electra AI into your Office suite. So now you can do magical things within your Office suite that you normally would not be able to do. And I'll start with just showing you a couple of tricks of what she's able to do and how a person can easily benefit from this. So for example, if I misspell something, let's say I type hello and I misspell it on purpose. How are you doing today? Now, as you can see, the spelling is highlighted, so you can right click on something and you can just fix it, right? But what happens when you have like a whole paragraph, a whole sentence, whole paragraph, or a whole page or a whole document where there's lots of spelling mistakes? You can't right click on all of it because there's no option to actually, do fix mass spelling on a mass scale. But this is something that we coded into your AI assistant. So you can just select the sentence, the paragraph, the page, the document, whatever you select, you can just click on autocorrect on top in the AI assistant and it will rewrite the whole sentence, the whole paragraph or whatever, and it will autocorrect not just the spelling but also any grammar errors that you might have. And then it usually leaves a little comment to tell you what it's done. So you can just go and delete this comment, delete comment. So as you can see, it's very easy to fix spelling using the AI assistant, which is something that's very handy for people that make a lot of spelling mistakes. Number one. Number two, we have something called a custom request, and this is awesome. Actually, yeah, let's do that. So if I say, for example, I want to write something, right? I need something for work or whatever. Let's say I want to write a letter. Like I want to write an employment letter, I want to write a resignation letter, I want to write a financial report or something. I can just ask the AI to do the template, which I then just, edit after. For example, I can say write an job application for a position in a restaurant. I've used this one before, but I'll keep using it because it's a good one. Damn it! For position in a restaurant as a waiter. Okay, so I say write the job application for position in a restaurant as a waiter. I highlight the text and I choose custom request. This is my request. Watch what the AI does. So the AI automatically writes the whole letter for me, and I can just go and put in my address, my name, the restaurant's name, and that's about it. It's done the rest. Literally in seconds. It just saved me all that typing. And now, if I wanted to, if this was, let's say I was in Italy or whatever, or I was in France, I can, just change this. I can go to translate selection, and I can say Italian. Or French. Let's use French, or German, or whatever. I choose French, translate it to the French language, and look at this. And there we go. Look at that. Look at that. Just translated all of that into the French language. So look at that. Look. Wow, so good. And yeah, it's that easy to translate. You just select text and you choose translate selection. Okay, it says nothing is selected. You've got to select something first. Translate selection, type in your language, and boom. I didn't type anything in. You just type in your language, select, type in your language, translate, boom, done. And so easy, not just to make something out of thin air, but also to translate stuff. Now you will notice that the text is purple, and the reason for that is that we want to make sure that when the AI changes something on your document, that you can actually see the difference. You know where the changes are made, and so you can just go and fix that afterwards, for example. Like you can make sure that it didn't edit the text that you didn't want it to edit. And so the purple part shows out nicely. You can always just change it back to black. Just select and hit change text. I mean, it's that easy. Now, if you're doing your documents, what happens when you need something like a picture? Well, this is where the generate landscape, generate portrait, generate square images come in. You can generate pictures right into your document. So you can say here, for example, interior of an American restaurant. Okay, so we say the interior of an American restaurant, and we go to generate landscape, portrait, square. I like square. I usually do square. So I'm generating an image. I highlighted that request. I'm generating an image of a square American restaurant. Look at that. And now I can just resize it to fit my document. There we go. And where are those lines? There are the lines over there. That's the inside of the document. Let's make it a little smaller there. Let's remove that. And I just edit the names and the dates and things. According, put my name in, put the restaurant's name in, and boom, there we go. There I've got my application letter for employment. And I barely wrote anything. I mean, I just put in the request. The AI did the rest. And, I just resized that. You can drag it and drop it anywhere. The text around it will, sort of mold its way around the image. So wherever you put the image. So it's really like free form. This is really easy stuff. Putting images in your documents as well as, and I can generate a different image if I don't like this one. So there's a lot of things you can do here. Also, we've got the some other features like extracting text. Like, for example, I can select everything and I say extract keywords. So if I want to summarize a document, whatever, it says there waiter, customer service, and hospitality. Those are the keywords that have been extracted from there. And if I highlight the whole document and I say summarize, there's a summarize. Then at the bottom it says summary, a job application for a waiter position, emphasizing customer service experience, multitasking skills, knowledge of menu items, and desire to contribute to the restaurant's quality service. That's the summary. It's pretty cool. So we got some really nice AI features in here. You can also generate charts as well, so that's handy. And yeah, this custom request is really nice because you can write anything, like whatever letter you need, letterhead or whatever, the AI will write it for you. You just type the request, highlight it, and choose custom request, and the AI does it for you. And all of this on the comfort of your desktop. You don't have to go online to find any images that you might need. You don't need to go online to find samples of templates that you might need and then copy the template and then edit anything. You just ask the AI. It does everything for you. Hell, you can even take this over here and you could say, let's put the custom request here. So we're going to say here, let's see, I take pride in peers. I say, change this for a management position. Okay, so I'm going to say change this for a management position. And let's go to custom request. There we go. I've asked it to edit this to make it for a management position. Here's a revised version of your letter tailored for management position. Okay, so let's just take that out there. Name data. Hi, hiring a manager's name. I write my express interest in restaurant name as advertised with the extensive experience in the hospitality industry, track record of leadership. Look at that. Just look at that. Previous role as a supervisor. I developed strong learning team skills, leadership skills, Wow, really, really awesome. So I've taken an existing letter and I just said, change it to this, change it to that. You can ask it to change the tone of the letter, whatever the case might be. And we can regenerate a different image here. We can say manager in an American restaurant with manager inside an American restaurant. Let's generate an image on that and see what comes out. Square image. We're going to say manager inside a American restaurant. Okay, there we go. Look at that. I actually like that. Nice uniform, well dressed. Let's just resize that to fit. There we go. That's slightly inside the line there. And oops. So there we go. Like that there. Yeah, that's good. We'll move that. Boom. There we go. So yeah, you can pretty much do anything with the AI inside Office. So this is free. I mean, we don't put any limitations on how many requests you can make, or you don't have to put in the API key. There's no tokens to worry about or anything like this. This is free in Lindows. Lindows 2025, if you're an Office worker, this makes your life so much easier. You just install Lindows, get it from Makulu Linux website. Office is already pre-installed, so you can just start using it, and boom, you've got the Office features right here at your fingertips. You can just start using them. And like I said, we do not limit how many times you can autocorrect, or how many custom requests, or how many times you can summarize. You can endless, all day, all night. It's all free. Free, free, free. We like free stuff. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. This was my little demo on the Office suite inside the new Lindows 2025. A lot of people are not focusing on these. I notice a lot of the guys when they review, they open up the menus, what is installed, run through some panel items, and then that's it. Okay, everybody's skipping over the AI stuff. There's so much AI in here. But especially this little hidden gem of the AI in the Office suite. Like, nobody's mentioned that at all. So, and I thought it was something big, because this is not widely popular in the Linux world, put it that way. I have seen some people adding some AI into some Office suites, but not with a lot of difficulty. And also, usually you'd need to put in API keys and things, and also it's feature limited. It doesn't have all of this. Yeah, we've gone full out, and it's free. Like, generating images is free, doing the text is free, customize summaries, translation, it's all free. So yeah, I just thought I'd point that out. Thanks for watching, guys. Grab your latest copy from makululinux.com, Lindows 2025, and have fun with it. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.
Working late in the light of our Makulu screen, customizing themes that are oh so clean. A system stable with a heart of open source. Makulu's whispers guide me, no need to force. LibreOffice scribing through, no end, no cap. With every app I need, it's a creative sap. In the glow, in the flow, Makulu's Insight Show. AI core, open door, guiding as I go. The comfort of the code so bright in the screen's soft light. Makulu harmony in tech's endless flight. Smooth like the river, Makulu runs deep. Updates that deliver, promises to keep. Boot it up, feel the pulse, Makulu's beat so serene. With every line of code, it's like living the dream. AI's mind like the stars guides us through the night. Makulu's here, and everything just feels so right. In the grip of Makulu we find our pace. sailing through cyberspace with elegance and grace.